Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen and my channel focuses on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and luxury. I love me some luxury. If you love some luxury too, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I upload twice a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays, and sometimes I'll put a bonus video out on Sundays. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you will not miss that extra upload, okay? In today's video, we are getting straight into it because I know that you guys like a really quick video. So, Sunday, June the 18th, if you want to see what I spent in 10 minutes, $165 at Sephora, then just keep watching. All right, so I got my bag, nice size bag, thumbnail. As I stated, quick haul. You guys like it quick? I'm gonna give it to you quick. $165.94, so really $166 if you want to be, really critical, because it was $165.94. 6 more cents, it would be $166. So, I bought the Olay. Okay, let me just pull it out the bag. Let's start with the first reason why I went there. I went there initially to pick up these Huda Beauty lashes. This is Sasha 11. I love the way they look. This is my second pair, and I just wanted to get me a re-up. Just re-up on this. I just love it. Look at how they look. And they're wispy, and they look so feminine and flirty, and then kind of edgy at the same time. And I was like, yes, Huda Beauty, I like them. So that is the reason for me going to Sephora in 10 minutes, spending $165.94. All right, after I got there, I thought, I need some cleansing gel. Yes, I need some cleansing gel. I just ran out of my Ole Hendrix Lemon Facial Scrub. I believe that's the name of it. Don't quote me. Okay, but I ran out of it and I need some cleansing gel. So I decided to pick up this. This is the Dr. Dennis Gross AHA BHA Daily Cleansing Gel. So this is what I will be using tomorrow. I'm going to start and see exactly how it works with my skin. I have a couple of more products that I will be using in combination, and they are also Dr. Dennis Gross. But yeah, I'm going to try it out, see if it changes or brightens, because that's what I want. I want it to brighten. I got a couple of demarcation, is it demarcation? Hyperpigmentation. Hello. I got a hyperpigmentation going on right here. Nothing on this side. It's not that bad, but I would like to brighten it up. So this is the first step to Dr. Dennis Gross, what is it called? Facial combination regimen. Hello. Facial cleaning. Hell, I can't think of it, but you know what I mean, right?
Regimen.
You know what I mean. Okay, so that's that. This I picked up in 2.4 ounces. This one was $14. I know off the top of my head because I was looking at the other one, which is much larger, and it was $38. And I was like, let me try out the smaller one first. If it works with my skin, then kudos to it. I'll buy the larger one. But right now, let's stick with the smaller one, 2.4 ounces for $14. Yeah, that helped me with my $165.94 10-minute haul at Sephora. Yeah, it helped me. $14. Next, I have Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, of course. Fenty, Rihanna, hello, hand in hand. Toasted Swirl. I seen this yesterday. I was at Sephora with my daughter. She picked up a couple of things. I picked up nothing because the customer service was crap. Oh my gosh. So here it is. I'm quite sure you've seen it. This is a new product. I want to try it out. It's big as I don't know what. If my daughter sees it, she probably will come over and steal it. But that's how it looks. I did try it on. Very shiny, pigmented. Let's try it on. Look at that. Again. You see it? Right? Oh, very, very nice. That's what I picked up. This is trying out for the first time. It's new. So let's try out something new. All right? So that was the third item. Oh, Lord, help me. The leaf is attacking this Sunday. Oh, all right. So where do I start first? I got two things. I don't know which one. Okay. Now I got three things and I don't know which one. Okay, let's start with, I just got back. Okay, I just got back from Sephora. So excuse my disheveledness. All right, so I'm going in order. Oh, this one looked like it was open. Oh my gosh. Look at that. You see how the seal is broken? No. No, 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 no. Let me see. Well, I guess it's okay. It doesn't look like anyone has been in it. Okay, back to the 10 minutes. 10 minutes, 165 at Sephora. And we're going to try to do this in 10 minutes, right? But I went into Sephora for 10 minutes and I spent $165.94 at Sephora. Okay, so Ola Hendrix Beam Cream Soothing Body Moisturizer. 2 times the hydration. I love it. I am not extremely dry, but I do feel like I have dry, sensitive skin. It takes a whole lot of emollients to shine up this skin. So I said, let me try this. Yes, I've tried other products and I wasn't happy with the outcome. So that's how it looks. It looks like the typical body cream consistency. I like when the body cream is very thick and rich and emollient, and that's how it looks right there. And I thought, let me give this a try. So here it is. Oh, I'm a little generous amount there, but can you see it? Hydrating, shiny, no dull, hydrating. Ola Hendrix, I don't know if it's everything, but I noticed in 2 of the items that I have that it has that lemony smell to it. I like it. It's clean, but it has that little hint of lemon. So you feel like you're not using a whole lot of chemicals on your skin, just all natural products. And it says it's two times the hydration. So I like that. I said I was moving in order, but I'm going to move out of order, okay? The next item is the Firming Yours Toning Dry Body Oil. Now, I did not pick this up immediately, but when I seen it, as I was about to check out, let me see, I feel like it was, where's the, did I take it out? Hold on. Wait. Okay, did I, oh wait. What? How you get it open? Okay, hold on. I don't know if that's how you get it open, but this is what we're doing. Because we only got 10 minutes. Look at this. I personally, look at that. When I put on my body cream, I like to mix it with oil. So once I seen this, I was like, yes, And look at that shine. Okay, so this is the Firmly Yours Toning Dry Body Oil by Ola Hendricks Touch. Right there. I like the color. Look at that. And yes, it goes. Where did the other bottle thing go? Look at that. These are so cute. The packaging is everything to me. And then that's the first thing. And then the second thing is what's in the packaging. So there we go. These are my combos for the week. Whew. Put a little oil on the hair. Before we get to that last item, comment below if you've recently been to Sephora and what did you pick up? And did you think it was worth it? Was it new or was it a re-up? Okay, the last thing that I picked up is this Faded Topicals Brightening and Clearing Serum. As I stated, we're going to start a new regimen on Monday. I'm going to do my new morning routine using Dr. Dennis Gross. But when I seen this, and I don't know if they're always in stock, I said, let me pick it up. It is the Brightening and Clearing Serum. Again, this hyperpigmentation, it's got to go. A little brightening because I am quick to tan in a minute, in a twinkle of an eye. Even with SPF of 50 on, I will go outside. As soon as the sun sees my skin, it's like, okay, suntan, here I am. So a little brightening serum will not hurt me, especially because summer just began. It's been 80, it's been 90, it's been 100, and we're in the beginning stages of summer. But that is what I picked up in 10 minutes, $165 at Sephora. It's not Sephora, it's Sephora. That's what I picked up. Comment below if you like this quick, small Sephora. Yeah, it's quick and small, but the price was $165 Sephora haul. So comment below if you like this kind of quick, in your face, like bam, here, this is what I got, and then I leave you. No extras, nothing. Until the next time, stay classy, stay confident. I hope to see you, yes you, in my next video. Okay, bye-bye, ciao, River Dirt Cheap.